Abobadovo, Anglo Hogbetsotso Zã ya. Kama mila asala leji.
Extend this peacemaking process to other tribes and groups in our country, we will all have a beautiful country worth fighting for. Your Excellency, this annual peacemaking ceremony is worth copying, especially for Davao, where the Abudu and Nandani enmity has taken a great toll on our Commonwealth. This will further strengthen and sustain the peace that you have gifted to the people of Davao. We surely need a lesson in this ceremony, and it will definitely be a game changer for us in our strive to hasten and development in peace. That is, hasten our development in peace. Your Excellency, I also learned that during the month of the festival, general cleaning is carried out in all the communities, which is also a laudable exercise to promote the health of the people in the communities. It is also worth adopting in our communities. Your Excellency, the theme for this year's festival provides a medium to brainstorm and find solutions for the prevention of the occurrence of the disruptions caused by flood waters, such as the spillage of the Akosombo Dam. I strongly believe they're saying that every misfortune is a blessing in disguise. This misfortune staring us in the face today will definitely lead us to changes in the way we are used to doing things, to better options that will bring us more security and well-being. Rome was not built in a day, so we shouldn't despair because of the enormity of the destruction, but remain resolute in doing whatever we have decided together to do and clean up the mess and move on. Your Excellency, a gathering of this nature that assembles great sons and daughters of the land from home and abroad is a great resource for the Angola state, and any state for that matter, especially when the purpose of the homecoming is known. My prayer is that the Angos state should be able to benefit from the expertise of its sons and daughters at home in the diaspora, especially in the areas that have been captured by the team of Israel. I also pray that I'll have a very memorable experience to send back home. This I am particularly looking forward to, and from your preparations, I'm sure I will not be disappointed. Your Excellency, once again, I wish to thank His Royal Majesty our Nephew Toby III III for making me part of this year's Hogbetsotso Zã Festival.